Hello, I'm Dr. Karim Kurji, Medical Officer of Health for York Region. Last week, the Ontario government announced they are extending eligibility to the Pfizer vaccine to all children born in 2009. York Region welcomes this news as it will support a safer return to school by ensuring more children and youth can benefit from the protection offered by the vaccine. All children turning 12 years old before the end of 2021 can now book an appointment or walk into one of our vaccination clinics listed at york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine to receive their first dose. In addition, the province recently announced vaccine mandates for workers in high-risk settings. Doctors, nurses, and other patient-facing staff in hospitals, long-term care, home care, and paramedic services will be required to get vaccinated or provide proof of medical exemption. Anyone unable or unwilling to be vaccinated will require regular COVID-19 testing and undergo a vaccine education program. Similar vaccine protocols will be put into place for teachers, education workers, school volunteers, school contractors, and students on placement. The province will also begin third dose vaccinations for some people with compromised immune systems, including organ transplant recipients, patients with hematological cancers, and residents of long-term care homes and certain retirement homes. A complete two-dose COVID-19 vaccine series provides strong protection against COVID-19 infection and severe outcomes in the general population, including against the Delta variant. However, for some populations, a third dose may be required to provide sufficient protection. We are working on plans to administer third doses to these highest risk groups, and details will be announced soon. Like last year, all students from grades 1 to 12, staff and visitors will be required to wear masks indoors with some reasonable exceptions. Masks will also be required on all school vehicles. If you are a parent with a child going into junior or senior kindergarten, we recommend they wear a mask if attending school in person this year to help keep them safe. Of course, those who cannot wear a mask, such as students who have trouble breathing or are unable to wear a mask for medical reasons, will not be required to wear one in school. This decision was made for a variety of reasons, including the highly contagious Delta variant, support from the Ontario Science Table and Public Health Agency of Canada, local modeling showing the rise in cases with about 100 daily cases projected by October, and an anticipated increase of other respiratory viruses this fall and winter. Vaccination is one of the keys to ending this pandemic and a return to normal life. Most COVID-19 cases we are seeing in hospitals and ICUs are in unvaccinated individuals. Being fully vaccinated greatly reduces your risk of contracting COVID-19 and getting seriously ill. As cases continue to increase, the province has delayed the next step in reopening. We must not let all our hard work come undone. We must continue following all public health measures, such as physical distancing, wearing a mask, and practicing good hand hygiene. And most importantly, if you have not yet been vaccinated, I urge you to book an appointment or walk into one of our clinics. While York Region mass vaccination clinics are closing by the end of August, there is still time to get your vaccine and many places where you can get vaccinated. For example, pop-up clinics continue to occur in various locations throughout the region. You can also make an appointment at the new Community Hub Clinic in the York Region Administrative Center located at 17250 Yonge Street in Newmarket. You can find more information about clinic locations and times at york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. Stay safe, stay informed, stay vigilant, and please get vaccinated. Thank you.